Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Google. So let's get started. Go right into store.google.com. We're going to click right there. That will bring us here. Now, before you guys get started with any shopping here, I highly recommend creating an account. I did create a video about how to create a Google account, but that's very important. That's because you guys can track your stuff there, and it's very easy to just manage everything if you have an account already. So on the top right hand corner, just click on sign in. So that would be up here. And as you guys can see, that's my image, and that's why I'm already signed in. And right here, we can see everything that Google has. So we can click right here on Pixel. We can click on Nest, Stadia, Fitbit, Pixelbook, and special offers as well. So for example, if you would like to buy something specifically, we're gonna go right into Nest just as an example. And we're gonna take a look at exactly what we're looking for. So let's say right here, we see Nest temperature sensor. Just tap right there. And here it is. If we want to buy it right away, we can just click on buy on the top right corner of my screen. I should see the price, plus just buy. I do want to highlight that this is free delivery. That means free shipping. So again, on the top right corner, we're just going to click on buy. Now, usually for this, the 3-pack would be cheaper. It's $125 versus just the one that's $49. In my case, I only need one, so I'm just going to add one to my basket. So in my case, I should see something like so, where it's gonna tell me that I'm gonna get some type of credit. That's just because I have the Google One membership. And down here, I'm gonna see the subtotal, which is $49 like we saw. We're just gonna click on checkout on the bottom. So at this point, it's gonna ask you for some details, shipping address, your payment. If you haven't done that before, it's gonna ask you right this second. You could add a promo code if you have one. And if we keep scrolling down, we're just gonna see the total. So right now, I do have some Google Store credit as well. So that will bring down my price at the moment. And we're going to see $34, which is perfect. So I'm just going to confirm that purchase. Once I confirm the purchase, I'm going to see this once again, which is just my receipt. It's going to tell me the order number, your shipping address. And if we scroll down, like you guys see right here, it's going to tell us exactly how much you spent and how much you just paid. Plus, if I keep scrolling all the way down, I should see this when I'm going to get this delivered. So it does tell me that it's going to get delivered by the 29th to the 30th of November. Now, usually with Google, their shipping is faster than this. However, now they're taking just a little bit longer. So I'm not surprised that they're going to take about a week. Anyways, at this point, you would be getting an email. And that would be it for this video. Just make sure to take a screenshot of that order number just in case. But anyways, that would be it. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.